Mastering SOC 2 for M&A Activity. Companies that don't test backup plans are just waiting for disaster to strike. How does the company ensure operational excellence through its procedures for disaster recovery and business continuity planning, including the implementation and testing of backup and restoration procedures, to minimize downtime and ensure the continuity of critical business operations in the event of an unexpected disruption or catastrophic event? The company ensures operational excellence through its procedures for disaster recovery and business continuity planning by implementing a comprehensive and structured approach to minimize downtime and ensure the continuity of critical business operations in the event of an unexpected disruption or catastrophic event. This approach is designed to identify potential risks, prioritize critical business processes, and develop strategies for business continuity and disaster recovery. Firstly, the company conducts regular business impact analyses to identify critical business processes and their interdependencies. This analysis helps to identify the most critical business operations that need to be restored quickly in the event of a disruption. The company also conducts risk assessments to identify potential risks that could impact business operations, such as natural disasters, cyber attacks, and equipment failures. Based on the results of the business impact analysis and risk assessment, the company develops a comprehensive business continuity plan that outlines the procedures for responding to disruptions, including the implementation of backup and restoration procedures. The business continuity plan is reviewed and updated annually, or as needed, to ensure that it remains relevant and effective. The company's disaster recovery plan is designed to ensure that critical business operations can be restored quickly and efficiently in the event of a disaster. The plan includes procedures for activating backup systems, restoring data from backups, and recovering critical business operations. The plan is developed in accordance with industry best practices and standards, such as the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST, Special Publication 800-34, Contingency Planning Guide for Federal Information Systems. The company implements and tests backup and restoration procedures on a regular basis to ensure that they are effective and can be relied upon in the event of a disaster. Backups are performed daily, with full backups performed weekly and monthly. The company uses a combination of on-premise and cloud-based backup solutions to ensure that data is available and can be restored quickly in the event of a disaster. The company also conducts regular disaster recovery tests to ensure that the plan is effective and that personnel are familiar with the procedures. These tests are designed to simulate real-world disaster scenarios, such as a data center failure or a severe weather event. The tests are conducted annually, or as needed, and the results are reviewed and documented. In addition to disaster recovery testing, the company conducts regular business continuity exercises to ensure that personnel are familiar with the procedures and can respond quickly and effectively in the event of a disruption. These exercises are designed to test the company's response to different scenarios, such as a power outage or a cyber attack. The company's incident response plan is designed to ensure that incidents are quickly identified, reported, and responded to in a timely and effective manner. The plan outlines the procedures for incident detection, reporting, and response, including the notification of stakeholders and the activation of the business continuity plan. The company's operational excellence is also ensured through the implementation of a continuous monitoring and improvement program. This program includes regular reviews and assessments of the business continuity and disaster recovery plans, as well as regular training and awareness programs for personnel. The company's management is committed to ensuring operational excellence and has established a culture of accountability and transparency. The company's senior management is responsible for overseeing the development and implementation of the business continuity and disaster recovery plans, and for ensuring that personnel are aware of their roles and responsibilities in the event of a disruption. In conclusion, the company ensures operational excellence through its procedures for disaster recovery and business continuity planning by implementing a comprehensive and structured approach to minimizing downtime and ensuring the continuity of critical business operations in the event of an unexpected disruption or catastrophic event. The company's approach is designed to identify potential risks, prioritize critical business processes, and develop strategies for business continuity and disaster recovery. The company's disaster recovery plan is developed in accordance with industry best practices and standards, and is tested regularly to ensure that it is effective and can be relied upon in the event of a disaster.